We'll guide you through how to make glowing transition in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight Motion and waiting for it to load completely. Once the app is ready, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Then set your project settings according to your needs. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to make your new project and enter the editing workspace. Once the project is created, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen and import the footage that you want to use. After adding your footage to the timeline, extend its duration based on how long you want the transition effect to last. When the footage duration is set, select the footage layer and go to the Effects option located in the bottom right corner. After opening the Effects menu, go to the Color and Light category where lighting effects are located. Scroll down through the available effects until you find the Exposure/Gamma option. Once you find it, add the effect to the layer by pressing Standard Settings. The effect will now be applied to your footage, and you can begin adjusting it. Next, play with the exposure value until you find the brightness level that creates the glowing look you want. Continue adjusting until the image has the amount of glow that fits your project. After finding the right value, turn on the keyframe option so the effect can be animated over time. Set the first keyframe using the exposure value that you selected earlier. This keyframe will represent the brightest point of the glow effect. After that, move forward a few frames on the timeline and add another keyframe. Set the second keyframe value to 0 so the exposure gradually returns to its normal state. This creates the glowing transition effect as the brightness fades between the two keyframes. Once both keyframes are in place, open the curve option to adjust the motion of the animation. Play with the curve settings to change how the transition moves between the keyframes.